All right, hello everyone. My name is Kenny, and you're in my YouTube channel where I talk about technology, gaming, all that sort of stuff. And sometimes we have a cat and some beer. Now, if you're like me and you watched this today and were like, whoa, that's a lot of awesome information and a lot of really amazing numbers for some things, especially for the games that I like to play. Um, Maybe you're like me and you're kind of just conflicted and kind of sad and kind of, man, I just really want to build a computer, but I really don't know what to do anymore. Um, I just really want to build a computer, man. I got my 4-year-old Titan in here, and it's getting older by the day. Nvidia can't seem to keep up with the demand for the card that they introduced. AMD is rolling out some new CPUs that sound extremely processing. No, promising. And I can't wait for all of this stuff. And I'm almost literally at the point where I really don't want to wait. I want to build a computer now, but it sounds like these things aren't coming out till November ish. So, it's just terrible, and I have no idea when I can get my hands on an Nvidia card. And then we got what October 28th is when the Navi cards are going to be announced and the specs and all that stuff released, hopefully. And so if you watch Jay's video today about this stuff, I'm really excited for that 5900X, honestly, big time. I'm really excited. That thing sounds awesome. It sounds like a great option for me for doing my video editing and gaming and everything all in one package, really. It sounds great, especially when I'm sitting on a 2700X. It sounds really awesome for me. I can't wait. However, and I don't know where the clip is in here, and I can't wait to find it. But this is what just prompts me for my conflictedness and my impatientness, because I just really want to build a new computer, and things just aren't available because I have to wait another month for the new CPUs to come out. I have no idea how long I'm gonna have to wait to get my hands on an Nvidia card if I want to go that route. I have no idea how long I'll have to wait to get my hands on an AMD 6900 series card if I want to wait for that instead of the Nvidia card. I really hope AMD can shovel out some good supply numbers on things so we can, us gamers, content creators, can get our hands on stuff to build stuff. Excuse him. Because we want to play with this stuff. We want to upgrade our system. Some of us do. Some of us are just have been waiting so long for this. AMD's new CPUs seem super promising with their 16 cores, 32 threads. Ridiculous. And the video editing time, so much better. So much better. I can't wait. Premiere up 5% over the other one. Not bad. It's probably even better over my 2700X. But I just don't know what to do, man. It's just this waiting. All this waiting is really sucky, especially when I've been waiting so long for the 3080. You know, you think you were gonna get it on release day. Boy, were a lot of us mistaken, huh? I was expecting that I was gonna get one, but looking at my local Micro Center stock and seeing they had, I think, 9 or something like that on release day, that hurts, man. This whole thing hurts. I was so ready when I saw the announcements for this stuff to go and get the products and have a new system and everything, and just all this added performance, mainly because not only does it upgrade this computer, it upgrades my server computer as well. It's just, so I'm basically getting 2 computers out of it. for the price of one, really, because same with my buddy, because, well, my hand-me-downs go to him. He gets a new case, he gets a new GPU, everyone wins. But no, this waiting is terrible. We got Intel that's just on the back burner here with their 10900K and everything, just kind of feeling outdated, and just they're stuck on that same platform and they can't innovate. It sucks, because for the longest time they're just winning. Nvidia winning. Now we got to wait another 2 weeks or so, 3 weeks roughly, till we find out what Big Navi's really got. There it is. And the benchmark that really blew my mind, which should probably show in a minute, we'll see, was 4K Call of Duty Modern Warfare. It was averaging roughly 88 FPS on the 6900 series card with their new CPUs. That's pretty impressive. They said ultra settings, and considering that the videos that I found for the 3080, they mentioned high settings. Now I can't recall if Modern Warfare does high ultra. AMD quotes ultra. A couple benchmark YouTubers I saw quoted high settings. Now the high settings I saw for Call of Duty Modern Warfare, the 3080 with a 10900K, was getting right around 90, 95. So that's pretty impressive of AMD's new 6900 card. And if it somehow comes in cheaper than the 3080, it's a win for everybody. I mean, obviously we have to wait to find out about all the ray tracing info and everything, and how they're going to handle that aspect of it, because that might be important to a lot of people, because it is a really cool feature. It is, especially at 4K, I'd imagine that looks insane if you're playing an RPG game versus maybe like a FPS game. You probably don't really need it or want it. You want to have that competitive edge. However, but yeah, I think, join us. Okay. So, I just can't wait. Like I said, literally, I'm just kind of just flabbergasted on what to do. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are as well, because you're looking at the new platform of CPUs and going, it's more money than I thought it would be. But at the same time, it's like, you're getting a hell of a more performance boost. But if you're stuck on an older platform, I was messaging a guy on Reddit about a 4790K. Like, if you're stuck on that platform, heck, even jumping to a 3900X is going to be a night and day difference. And once these release, prices come down, you can get into that, system and, hang out there for a while until maybe their 5 nanometer releases next year-ish, maybe. We don't know yet, obviously. But there's so much potential here for us technology folk that it's gonna be a great finish to the season, provided supply can meet the demand. I can't wait to see where this is all going. I really can't wait to build a computer. I've been wanting to for such a long time. I've been stalled on this channel for such a long time, waiting for this new tech to come out and to do more with my water cooling in here, and just more content for my channel as far as technology goes. I've just been stalled waiting for this stuff to upgrade this computer, my server computer, maybe my laptop in the future, once this new chipset hits laptops and stuff too, because the performance to energy usage is going to be even better than what I have now. So it's just, everything is going the way of the gamer, the way of the content creator right now. It's great news for all of us. Everyone just needs patience, and I've had a ton of patience, and my patience is sadly running out. Hopefully soon we will all be able to get our hands on the stuff that we want and upgrade what we want and what we want to do, and for whatever reason we need to. I don't know. Well, I'm sorry for my rant. I just wanted to vent and kind of share the state of the channel and where I want to go with technology and stuff, and why I haven't really done a whole lot, because I'm waiting for so much to come out for me to play with, because I don't get sent stuff in the mail like everyone else does. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully, we can start a discussion below on this new technology, this new wonderfulness that's coming our way. I can't wait for the 6900 series cards and that announcement. I can't wait for 3080s, Nvidia's 3080s to come back into stock. Hopefully I can snag a EVGA one, a water block, pre-formed, pre-sold water block one I can throw in here and play with that. Maybe play with some 6900s and 5900Xs, and we got so much coming, man. I can't wait. It's going to be great for all of us, all of the tech channels. Anywho, let's start a discussion below. What are you excited for? Are you still waiting to build your system like me? Are you waiting for stock levels to increase so you can buy your hardware that you need? What a time. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one, hopefully soon. Hopefully we can get some more content. Otherwise, take it easy. Be well. I can't wait.